dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have unlock problem on your iPhone, so you can't unlock your phone, so how you can do it? So for fixing it, you just need to try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone with Face ID. So on iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button. It means that you successfully made forced restart. So after, you just need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.